Okay, so everyone's really excited about Fluid Engine, and a lot of our clients and other designers are automatically upgrading every section to the Fluid Engine section version. And that's great. I'm excited too. I've been loving the changes, but there are some times when maybe you should just kind of stop and think about keeping it classic because of the functionality of the website, basically just making it a little bit easier on yourself. And here is an example. So I have a bio page that I've created. It's my link that I put into Instagram. So it's basically just for my Instagram or for me to use like a QR code to direct people to like a one-stop shop to find all of the most important things that I want to share with people. So it's this jenmaher.expert/bio. When you go to that bio page on my website, you're going to see that I have right off the bat my Instagram links because when someone clicks the link in my bio on Instagram, I want them to right away be able to jump over and see everything that I've been talking about. So these are all of the things that we would be talking about during in my Instagram feed, basically. But this landing page here that's my bio site is a little bit different. So they kind of look the same. They both have buttons. These buttons are going to stay here. So I have this one upgraded. This is an upgraded section. I'm using Fluid Engine on this page. I'm also using Square Kicker so that I can get this nice gradient background here in the back. I've got a full blue image. Um, the buttons can be the same size, which is a Fluid Engine, and I'm loving all of this. But if I were to ever want to change this, and I'm sure I will, but you have to remember that when you add a new block in Fluid Engine, it's going to automatically put that block at the bottom, and then you're going to have to, even if you put it here at the top in the desktop version, it's going to put it automatically at the bottom in the mobile view. So you have to come back in and change the mobile view layout. So it just kind of adds an extra step. Versus if I go into that Insta page, so this is the one where you click on my Insta Links, I'm keeping this one as a classic um, editor page because I'm not going to hit that upgrade. The reason is I've got the traditional stacked blocks on top of one another with these plus signs here to add new blocks. So for instance, I just added these three new blocks because of our Instagram live that we're doing tomorrow. These are some of the topics we're going to be discussing. So rather than me having to add a block here, pull it in order, and then go over to the mobile version and rearrange them and drag everything back in order, in this case, I can just click the plus sign and add a new button and be ready to go. So it puts it right where I want it to be on both mobile and desktop. So just think about when you're the kind of the functionality and how often you'll be updating that page. Sometimes it's easier just to have, especially when there's like images or you know that you want a certain structure to be exactly the same. It's just easier to keep it on classic editor for right now. So that's just my little tip for today. Think about it and kind of just think about how often you'll be updating the page and what the functionality of it needs to be very different on mobile versus um, desktop. And maybe you'll be fine just keeping it, or maybe it's even a better decision to keep it on classic editor.